In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download here in Canva. Now, it doesn't matter what you're trying to download, whether that's an image, a video, a GIF. It really doesn't matter because the process is very similar. Now, I have this just here. This is a book cover and it's a template which I found here on Canva. But let's say I wanted to download this. All we have to do is come up here to the right-hand corner where it says Share. If we click on there, we then want to come to download just here, and this is where we're going to get lots of different options. Now right here, this is a drop down menu. So if we click on there, we can see all of the different formats that we can download. Now there's JPEG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, SVG. Now if we look just here, this has a little crown icon, which means that is a Canva Pro feature and you won't be able to download an SVG on a free account. But nonetheless, there's also MP4 video, GIF and PPTX. Now to download any of these file types is really simple. If we click onto JPEG, we're going to get a few different options with size and quality, but again, if we look here, this is a Canva Pro feature, so we can't actually play around with that on the free account, but you can still download as a JPEG. Now to download, we simply click on this button just here where it says download, and it's going to be the same for all the others. If we click on PNG, we have a few different options just here. Again, these look like Canva Pro features. We can increase the size, or we can just click on download and download as a PNG. Now if we click onto the PDF standard, we can flatten PDF, include notes, and then click download. If we click on PDF print, we have a few different options here as well, with crop, marks and bleed, flatten PDF, include notes, and if we click on this little drop down menu, we also have a couple of different options. Then if we go to SVG, we can simply click download. Then if we go to MP4, it's going to be the same here as well. Again, the quality is a Canva Pro feature, so we can't play around with this bar and download unless we have Canva Pro. But nonetheless, we then click on download, and it's the same for GIF just here and also PPTX. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to download here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.